Good afternoon. Today we're going to have a look around a typical apartment in Jakarta. And this wouldn't be a typical apartment for a local, but maybe a tourist. So if you're planning to visit Jakarta, then you would probably stay at somewhere like this. And it's Maple Park in northern Jakarta. It's one of the cheapest suburbs to stay at in Jakarta. So if you fancy visiting, you can check it out. And North Jakarta is lovely. Even the security are super happy. Look at that. So what we pay for this place, like $13 per night. Okay, so $13 per night. Let's take a look. After you. All right. So there's where you can wait, where you get your Gojek or Uber, something like that. There's usually a guy here that's very happy, but he's not here right now. So the apartments here, very unique. There's almost like a mini mall underneath a lot of them. So it's something definitely different to what you're used to. You typically get your laundry done at somewhere like this. That's the equivalent of 75 cents a kilo if you want to get your clothing done. Here's where you get your vegetables and fresh produce. The shops don't usually sell the vegetables, it's quite hard to buy them, so you would go somewhere separately. They have a nail salon right here, look. A little area where you can shove your kids, and a little mini restaurant there. Not coming down here. Another laundry place here. She's got a washing machine doing everyone's clothing who lives in the apartment there. Again, similar price, 75 cents a kilo or something like that. Then in this apartment complex, you have two shops. You have Indomart right here, or Indo Market. Maret. Ooh. And yeah, 7 in the morning till 10 p.m. They have lots of things. Again, not really much fresh produce. We got bananas today. We had papayas yesterday. They have a little hot food there, not too much. But if you need ramen noodles, drinks, a little snack sausage, they'll sort you out. So there's a little open area. There's 2 open areas actually. Yeah. So this is the first open area. It's a little communal area. You can play a bit of chess here, talk with your neighbor, hang out. But the cool thing about this is they have little fish ponds. They have koi ponds. These are the mini fish, where they're growing to be bigger fish. I think they're over there. You can see the orange dots. And here are the bigger fish. They'll come out and feed these guys daily. They're very hungry, look. The big ones are super greedy. There we go. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop. It's pretty cool, isn't it? And there's a few cool places to exercise here. You have the dedicated gym, which we're going to see in a second. But my personal favorite is over here, especially if you like your cardio. There is a secret door right here. And this secret door, wow. This is a 23-floor apartment. And if you like stair climbing, you can go all the way to the top. See if you can beat my record, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. But yeah, it's a good challenge. They advertise a running track here, but the running track is a little bit lame, and the treadmills in the gym is super hot. But the stairs, recommend. But if not, you can run around one of the nearby lakes here. It's a really nice running track. It's around 6 kilometers if you do a loop. Yeah, it's pretty cool as well. So it's a super safe area as well. All right. So we're going in there in a second, but we have to sort of work our way around. Oh, gulai. So right now they're painting. They did a bit of painting the other day. That's how I know they're doing that. So here's another market here. This is Family Mart. Family Mart is a Japanese chain, and they play the same song over and over and over and over again on a 2-minute loop that never ends. If you've been to Family Mart before, then you know what I'm talking about. Another laundry, 805 laundry. Whoa. All right. 805. Is that the Indonesian version of 420? Who knows? And there's another little restaurant here, look. I'm not sure how to order here though, because every time I look in here, there's no one in here. But they do have food, so. Okay. And now the moment maybe you've all been waiting for. Oh, there's 4 elevators going all the way to the top there. Here. So 6 a.m. you can get into your kit and take out the pool. Look at this. So they have a kiddie pool right here, which is this one and this one. And then they have an adult pool over there. It's a 25-meter pool, so you can do your laps, just like any average leisure center. And right at the other end, they have a jacuzzi as well. It's all right, isn't it? And they have a security guard that watches the pool. Maybe he is a security guard, lifeguard combo, multi-talented. But yeah, they have 2 apartment blocks here. This is called Block A, that huge monolithic structure there. And behind us, whoa, you guessed it, Tower C. No, I'm joking, it's Tower B. Yeah, so that's the kiddie pool. Then that joins onto this adult pool right here. Pretty good, isn't it? Hey! See, everyone's super friendly. And I did test a theory actually. I was wondering if they're super friendly because I'm a tourist or I have money or something like that. But we hang around with a lot of local people here and they would not take any tip or money from us. I'm not American, I don't believe in the tipping culture. I think employment should pay a fair wage, but tipping is for excellent service, right? But yeah, it's not. People are just really friendly here. And that's not just in a hotel bubble, it's all around the city. It's in the humble areas of northern Jakarta, right down to southern Jakarta. It's very nice people. Okay, so now we're going to check out the gym. There is a gym here. And you have to sign a little logbook on the way in. Let's teleport there now. Okay, we've teleported into the corner. There's the pool again. And another koi pond. Are these hungry as well? Hungry. Yeah, they're like the medium fish. Maybe they come here in the middle. And here in the corner, check this out. It's a little gym. Okay, after you. You can lead the way. Let's show everybody the gym. Oh, okay. Okay. So here's the gym. So they have cardio downstairs, they have treadmills, bikes and things like that. And upstairs they have a weight room. See if anyone's in here. Been doing my morning bench press in here. Oh, it's totally empty. Got a little TV up there, look. A little Smith machine, I think that's what it's called. Check out these yoga mats. Looks like one of those portable first aid kits, but in mat form. There's some dumbbells. There's a video thumbnail. Okay, I'll try and remember to use that. Alright, so, gym. Do you like the gym here? It's a good gym, isn't it? It's just enough for what you need, for your weight needs. Okay, and lastly, thank you. Yeah. And lastly, the moment you've all been waiting for, maybe the room. What does the room like? What does a $15 room look like? It is $15, right?
I think it was between 13 and 11.
Okay.
Sure.
Well, let's check out the room, see what the room looks like. Okay, elevator time. I'll see you up there. Okay, let's see. Let's see the room. Well, if you took those stairs I showed you earlier, you'd come out there where that green sign is. But there's no more stair climbing because we are checking out today. Today is our last day. And here is the room, or should I say apartment. Wow, look at this. Yeah, a little bit messy. We're leaving. So here's the kitchen. There's a double gas hob cooker right there. A little sink. All your dishes. Everything you need. Pretty cool, isn't it? Is that a popcorn maker? I don't remember seeing the popcorn maker. There was a lot more things and soaps and everything, toothpaste. We slowly got through those over the 2-3 weeks we were here. Yeah, little water heater there attached to your shower, little air freshener, little spray for your bum. It's not bad, is it? Okay, let's continue. Oh, little desk there, fan. Fridge. Oh, there's your drink. Fridge, freezer. Yeah, so we've stayed in a lot of apartments. And this is the only one where they give you so many things, all the cleaning products. They even gave us ramen noodles when we came in, and eggs in the fridge. I have never seen an apartment where they give you things like that. Maybe soap and shampoo, you know, if you're lucky. TV. Air conditioning. There's an air conditioner. If you were scared because you saw the fan. Closet. Wow, make your own yoga mat there. Iron. Pillow. More space. Travel adapters. An annoying clock that I took the battery out of. And lastly, oh, no, not lastly. Oh, don't forget your speaker. Rice cooker, essentials. Water dispenser. The water, you can cook with it and boil it. It's safe, but otherwise you drink from here. But that was included. A little chair and a lookout. Look at this. Look at Jakarta. It's alright, isn't it? Wow. And you can see the social divide here. You see all these high-rise towers right here. Then right underneath, you see the huge difference night and day. But to be honest, as someone that has spoken to people at the shopping malls and the apartments, and the people living here making a living off Gojek, fast food, guess who the nicer people are? Well, it's no guess. It's always the same wherever you go, whichever country you go, whichever town you're in. It's always the people downstairs that are the nicest, most humble people you'll ever meet. So, yeah. Anyway, what I'm going to show you now, we're going to go outside the apartment and I'm going to show you where to get a little bit of cheaper food. So you have the restaurants downstairs, but they're more expensive. But the better eating experiences are just outside in those areas right underneath us. And again, you're going to meet some great people. They're going to offer to show you the town. It's great. So yeah, enjoy it. Okay, I'll see you downstairs. Okay, and we're back outside the building. And the reason we're back outside is because if you get a little bit hungry or something like that, what we've been doing is going to some of the streets behind and beside the apartment. So you'll see this quite, you know, in many places across Jakarta. You have food stalls right here. Some of them are like mechanics in the daytime and they transform into a food place at night, so it's pretty cool. But if you happen to stay at the same apartment, the Maple Apartments here, then come round here and right next to the gas station there's a food one right there. It's 5,000 rupiah, which is around 40 cents, and that will get you rice with sausage and egg, and it's a really nice like a combination plate. It's super cheap as well, and the people there are really friendly. The girl whose family business it is, she's the one that actually showed us around Indonesia, Jakarta, and took us to lots of places. And she just did that as a friend, and we've been friends since, so it's pretty cool. So I hope you like the tour of the apartment and the mini look at the surrounding area. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I can make more. If not, then I'll see you in another video. Take care.